Okay, I'm back. Henry needed help moving a pellet stove. I have decided I'm going to move the parsley out of here. I just don't want it in here. Still haven't decided if I'm going to keep it in the long run, because we really just don't eat. This is one of those things that makes your heart happy. Look at that nice big fat worm. Woohoo! Cover him back up. Don't want the birdies getting him. But the parsley I am going to move over into my sage bed. I used to have parsley in here years ago, so I'm going to bring it back. This bed was made from leftover block. It now has sage, Mexican poppies, and, oh, I hate it when my brain falls out, a weed. This giant plant in the middle is sage. When I planted it, it was one of those little 4-inch pots. That was probably, gosh, 8 years ago or something. And it just keeps getting bigger and bigger, and I'm good with that because I really like it. It has the most gorgeous purple flowers in the spring. And this flowers tend to stay for a while too. Move the weeds out of the way, put this guy back in here. We are hoping beyond hope that we have rain. I don't want to be drowned, but geez, it would be nice to have some rain. We are saved water tanks are just about empty. So now the big question is, what happens next? I'm gonna rake this and smooth it all out. And then I'm going to plant peas in it. Okay, I am going to go get some seeds and get this set for planting. This rain was supposed to roll in tomorrow. It looks like it could rain any minute, so I have to keep things safe here just in case we suddenly decide to get rain. We're gonna get back to it, so I'll be right back with some seeds. And I waited to keep them dry in case it starts to rain. That would be ironic. But irony is part of the world here. I am back. I have my peas from Johnny's. These are the same peas that I've been planting in the greenhouse. We've decided we're going to plant them in a block at the end of this bed. The instructions say plant them in 3-inch wide bands. And that's what we're going to do. Sure I've ever actually planted them this way. I'm always doing something weird with peas. I think I have. Maybe not with this variety though. I think that I know when I used to grow a type of pea that has it's called is it Ophelia? Anyway, it's called Feisty is the variety. It's a pea that's grown largely for the tendrils, which can be used in fancy schmancy salads and stuff like that. We actually like them very much as regular peas because they're self-supporting. You didn't have to fool around with any kind of a yeah, I'm dropping peas all over the place. Any kind of a trellis or anything. So it was a wonderful lazy man's garden. You're just a robin. Hi, Robin. You may see me toss things out. I'm always tossing out little rocks. The fewer rocks, the better. Okay, that's everybody. Now, I'm going to put a rock on the seed bag and get these covered up. Okay, now I want to really make sure that these are covered well, so I'm going to go get some mulch. We have another phase of the Great Pea Extravaganza this year. Now what I'm going to do is probably get some planter's paper down between those rows and water everything in good. And then it's just a matter of waiting, and we're going to see what works out best. So come along. This is going to be interesting because we have no idea how it's going to turn out. So if you like this kind of thing, be sure to hit that like button and make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when we're doing more stuff. Because you got to know how this ends. I mean, like, this is the Great Pea Extravaganza here, so we'll see what happens. So until next time, bye.